I'm all about the boba tea.
Come on, let's get it on like that on
It's crazy. It's bigger than my face.
Come on, give. Can never sleep in traffic. Cause living steady panic.
Okay, first stop of the day, Hanguang Baihuo. Their directory is pretty general, but I know where I'm headed to, so let's go. Oh hey, we're already seeing popmart at the door. Bruh, they even have a popmart vending machine. Is this cool or cool? Our first stop of the day is Sanrio. We're gonna go see Kuromi merch. Ooh, they even have a jellycat store here. Listen, I'm not really into jellycats and I don't understand the hype with them, but I will say their plushies are hella soft. I don't know how they do it.
I know cause I try acid. Now I see through your habits.
These are some really natural looking wigs. Look at that. It looks really soft.
I'm sure you don't want to touch it.
It's alright. So yep, this is the Sanrio store. We have plenty of Hello Kitty, Kuromi, My Mellow. It was honestly candy to my eyes, and honestly I felt like such a kid. But wouldn't you say being an adult is just fulfilling your kid like desire now that you have adult money?
Just like gadgets, you tell me with the 2 hands until then.
This is what I looked forward to. Like, what now? What happens now? We've got some really pretty red trees going on. Now we're at this other mall. Xidanda. Something like that. I don't know. Read.
Wonder what your things are like. Need me to get your bills paid. That's what you
I swear the popmarts here are just like built different.
said. I guess I'm just too fake for that. So sit down, listen.
I'm here at E3, also known as Sanhaoye. Well, they make coconut-based drinks. I saw this being recommended on Xiaohongshu, which is like a China social media. It really is good. Who knew pistachio and coconut could go so well? I love it. You can't tell me this doesn't look good. Oh my god, this looks so good. I got a drink from here. I'm waiting for it now.
I guess I'm just too fake for that.
This is the APM Mall. We're here at APM Mall. Honestly, I have a feeling I'm in the wrong mall. I mean, this is not giving makeup store vibes. In fact, it's a little too empty here. Let me just go back down. Okay, we will reroute. This drink is pretty good. I don't want to get caffeine. I'm saving the caffeine for another day, I guess. Probably because they have a shit ton of sugar in it. Yeah. Never mind. So I was indeed at the wrong mall. Dude, you might be sick of seeing Kuromi by now, but every time I see her, I feel obligated to take a video.
So sit down, listen, think for a minute. Know it might be hard, cause you're uneducated. Break down, face it, breathe for a minute. I'm about to help you with it.
So I've been hearing about this bakery that does their bread fresh from scratch every day, just like how Smith does. I'm sorry, I just had to. So they give the bread to you as a loaf. I didn't have a knife with me, so I barbarically pulled the bread out from the loaf. I ordered shengjianbao. They are crispy on the outside and soupy on the inside. I didn't make the rules, but when you eat shengjianbao, you have to eat it with vinegar. I ordered crab meat noodles and what I thought was foie gras, but it wasn't. Regardless, the noodles were great. I'm a sucker for noodles.